how many days you stay here, ma'am, in doing vacation in our country? Days.
Almost 3 weeks.
3 weeks. So you came from France, Paris, right? Your name, ma'am, is your name?
Your
Mireille.
name, ma'am.
Mireille.
Mirai?
Brigitte.
So you're both cousin. Right now you're just doing your cousin, guys. Your
Cousin.
cousin.
Cousins.
Yeah. Then you're just doing retired vacation, right?
Yes.
So how many times you visit in our country?
For about 3 weeks.
This is not
No. Is this the first time?
First time.
Oh, really?
From France, you know.
Yeah. So how's your experience while staying here in our country? So, do you really know what's happening now in our country about the politics,
Yes, our
something like that?
Politics,
The price here,
you know.
you don't know.
About the history is
Yeah.
very
Yeah, the history.
complex.
Yeah. So how about the?
Interesting also.
Oh, okay.
When you come before the Philippines, are you heard about the problem in Philippines? Or
Regarding the
are you,
politics.
Yes, typhoons.
Typhoon.
Typhoon.
How about the politics and the
No, not
president?
really about the politics. We know the name of Marcos, of course.
Okay.
But
But nothing. Okay. So,
now, how is for you? How is the politics now?
Yeah.
For you, it's
politics.
good or correct or not?
sometimes we are politicians.
Right now we're just observing
yes.
because not yet we really don't know what is the real happening, because sometimes there are the way is the truth is been not truth and the lies it's been the truth. So we're just making check and find out what is really happening on our country. That's why you're a foreigner, so maybe you can notice about the pricing, about how you stay in our country, about the food, how's the price. It's okay for you? It's or big price or lower price?
So for us,
Oo.
it's our price.
Lower price. How about the taste of the food?
Sorry?
Taste.
The food, man. The food.
How about the taste?
We love adobo.
Oh,
Filipino food.
I love to cook adobo, ma'am.